Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to download the PlayStation app on PC. Let's get started. There's no direct way to download the PlayStation app on PC, but don't worry, I'll show you how to do it using an Android emulator. You'll be good to go. First, let's get an Android emulator. I recommend BlueStacks because it's fast and reliable. Open your web browser, then type in BlueStacks and go to the official site. Once you're on the website, click the blue download button right here. This will download the installer file. Once it's done, open the file to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks. This will take a couple of minutes. Once it's installed, launch BlueStacks. When you open BlueStacks for the first time, it will ask you to sign in with your Google account, just like you would on an Android device. Once you're signed in, open the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks. In the search bar, type PlayStation app and hit install. Once it's installed, open the PlayStation app, log in with your PlayStation account, and you're all set. Now, you can use the PlayStation app directly from your PC. And that's it, quick and simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.